Tim, Ttown Tshirts, back with another video. We're ready to do the DTFs from Fat Dad. It's fatdadprintco.com. Prints are for Christmas shirts, Family Christmas 2023. I got black letter ones for the white shirts, and then white for the other shirts. So, heat press. This is my Hottronics Fusion IQ. We're going to press at 250 for 12 seconds. It's going to be a warm-ish peel. It does say you can do it hot. I haven't, besides ripping it off, I haven't found a good way to do that. So we're going to use the swing away version of this today. Pull this out a little bit. Swing away. So let's do the white shirts first. Do a pre-press on the shirts. These ones have a little bit of wrinkles in there. So we're going to line this up. These are all different sizes. I believe this is a medium. And when I'm lining up my shirt, I'm making sure that this is in the center. I'm feeling where these are at, going around the edges, seeing if this is in the center or not, and seeing if that's going the same way. And then we'll give it a little bit of pre-press, test the pressure. I have my pressure set, what do I have my pressure set at? I think at 6, medium pressure. Well, that's set at 8, loosen it up a little bit. There we go. I see a lot of people when they're doing pressure, they'll pull the heat press down, and as they're putting down, they'll start tightening this down. Unless it's totally loose, that is not going to do anything. You're going to have to really get that to turn. I've never seen it actually turn down on a good press. So keep that in mind. So there's that. This is the white and clear liner, like in my other videos that I was talking about. You can see through the thing. A lot of people say 4 fingers down. I feel 4 fingers is a little bit too far down sometimes. So I'm going to do 3 fingers down from the top edge. And that's how I do mine, 3 fingers. And then I do 4 fingers across here and make sure that it's the same on both sides. Alright, we're going to change the angle here. I'll show you a little bit of close-up. So like I said before, I'm going to use 3 fingers to the top of that, to the top. And then see if my fingers are going across the same on both sides. And 3 fingers, 3 fingers. You can take a ruler if you want. All these other tools, but there we go. We'll hit that and we'll press it down. 12 seconds. See you in a second. So that's locked in. So since I'm doing multiple shirts, I will throw it over there on. We'll put that on a flat surface so it can cool down. I'm gonna grab the next white shirt. This is also a medium. This is also a medium. Line it up again. Give her pre-press. Another black logo. 3 fingers, 3 fingers. This is about 4. 3 fingers, 3 fingers. Line it up. Give her a press. We'll take it off because the next one. Green shirt. This is a large. Pre-press. These will be the white logos. With the white words. Three fingers. Almost four. Knock it down. Red shirt. Actually not too sure how the red shirt's gonna look with the red on it. We'll see. With the red plaid. We'll see. Repress. Alright, so this is, like I said, the IQ. We're getting ready to do youth sizes. This is interchangeable platens. So this switch down here pulls it off. I have my youth platen here that I use for my youth. That won't fit that way. Should have made one of the logos smaller. Pressure's going to be off too. So this is a 13 by 9, I believe. So we're going to thread this. Probably could have left the big platen on there now. Line that up, thread it. Let's get the pressure. This platen seems to be up higher. I'm going to loosen it a little bit. Love the numbers. Hit my target every time. There we go, add a 6. Definitely one thing that I should have did, knowing I needed a youth, should have went a little bit smaller. So youth, I'm going to go 2 fingers, or 3 fingers too, probably. I'm going to do 3 fingers on this one too. 3 fingers. This one's going to be a big one on his shirt, but we'll put it in there. There we go. Alright, there's that. We'll set this off to the side. So I don't have to switch this platen back out. What we're going to do here is we'll just come on this press here, and there's that. We got to do another press still, so we'll just take this, and it's pretty warm, but pretty cool. We'll take that off. Take that off. Take this off. The red doesn't look too bad. Peel that off. Peel that off. Peel that off. There we go. All right. So we need to do one more press on this. We're gonna do one more light press on this. We'll grab my Teflon sheet. We'll do another, let's do a 3-second press. We'll watch the counter. There you go. That shirt's pressed. Grab the next. They say this locks the pattern in. I'd rather skip this, but we'll do it. All right, here we go. I got a little more room out here, so I come out here to show you the shirt. So here's a youth shirt in the green, Family Christmas. Here's a heather gray, the dark gray, heather gray. Here's the black. Here's the red. Came out okay. Green. And the whites. Cool. I split up the videos. We showed you how I pressed them, and showed you how I pressed them, and did the second press, and how much time, all that good stuff, where they came from. And the next video that you'll see will be me putting neck labels on them to promote my business inside of them, know where they come from, and it's a good add-on. Gives you a step up from everybody else that's making t-shirts. One thing that I do is if I have a huge order, like I did 1,000 shirts, I didn't put neck labels in them. 1,000 shirts was a lot, and so I didn't do neck labels in them. They were not throwaway shirts, but they were shirts that we're going to give away for a one-day event. So I wasn't planning on, who knows if they wore the shirts more than once or twice, but I guess 1,000 shirts could have had 1,000 labels with Ttown T-shirts on there. So Tim, Ttown T-shirts, like, subscribe, hit the bell, and let's see you on the next one, okay? It's a lot of good stuff coming. All right, Tim, Ttown, I'm out.